Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is very likely to be one, two, three waves up. Now, we do have US dollar news coming out today. We have interest rate for the US coming out. That's going to be a very big news event for the dollar. Definitely going to affect all the dollar pairs, probably in a big way. And I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event. So make sure you stop in for that and we can take a better look at these dollar pairs and reevaluate, way before the news to get a better understanding of what the dollar news will most likely do. So anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still see that this is going down pretty strong, but I still suspect that it's a 1 and a 2 and that eventually it could go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 because a wave C of wave Y should be a 5-way pattern just like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A was a 5-way pattern. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I mean, we definitely do have one, two, three waves down right here. We do have a little bit of a break of structure right there, which is a good sign because wave two should take out the low of wave four. But I mean, this move up to me looks extremely corrective. I'm actually starting to wonder if this is actually going to go down to like the 61.8 before we actually do get the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we are definitely drifted down. We had some Aussie news last night that was pretty negative for the Aussie, so it is still drifting down pretty nicely. Now we're gonna have to, like I said, reevaluate and see what this looks like. If it actually looks like this before the news comes out, I would actually say that the news is going to cause this to continue the downtrend. So anyways, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. We'll have to see. I mean, it is pretty impulsive down, but it kind of actually seems like it would drift up maybe one more time between now and the news. And if it actually ends up looking like this prior to the news coming out, then I would say that the news is extremely likely to cause this to continue the downtrend. But like I said, a lot can happen in the next 8, 9 hours between now and the news, and we need to have a look at it right before the news comes out to have a better understanding of what is most likely going to happen. So make sure you stop in for my YouTube live stream that I will be doing today, right before the news comes out. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.